welcome to my channel. Breastfeeding is the bonding that emotionally attaches a baby to his mother. From birth till the age of 4 months, it is restricted to soothe the hunger of the baby. But as he grows, he starts understanding that the breastfeeding time is only his and his mama's quality time. That is very special. When the baby reaches the age of 1 to 1.5 years, breast milk supply reduces and the baby also takes it for mental satisfaction. And when he is to be weaned, it is totally depend on his mother. If mother feels that there is proper supply of breast milk and it is required for the baby, it can be given for even more time. And I have breastfeed my baby for at least 1 year and 4 months along with other food. So it is totally depends on that when you are ready to wean off. How to wean the baby? Divide the entire process into two parts for easy weaning. Firstly, reduce the breastfeeding process slowly during daytime and thereafter repeat the same during night time. There can be two substitutes of breastfeeding which can help you. First, either you can take help of bottle or sipper. I don't recommend bottle. I have not bottle feed any of my two children because firstly it is necessary to properly sterilize the bottle after every feed. Otherwise it is cause stomach infection or infection in his food pipe. Secondly, it can cause teething problem in baby. Thereafter, it becomes difficult to detach the bottle from baby. Also, I have seen few kids who consumes milk from bottle even after reaching the age of 3 or 5 years. Then it all depends on your personal choice which option you find better for your baby. And it is very easy to clean the sipper and we can switch to cup from sipper slowly as and when required. How and when to start weaning process? First, weaning is a long process. When baby reaches the age of months, we can slowly start this process. The main and very important step of weaning is to attract the baby towards solid food and liquids so that you don't face any problems regarding nutrition and weight of baby. Third, try to find out taste of baby. It is not necessary that if baby denies a particular food first time, then he will deny the same always. Sweet or salty, which taste is preferred by baby? Set a particular time for breastfeeding in daytime. If baby has not taken solids at all, try it after the breastfeeding. Try to set the time for giving the solid food also and avoid breastfeeding during this time. When baby quits the breastfeeding totally during daytime, don't ever breastfeed him again in the day. Otherwise, weaning it again will become a difficult task. Now comes the weaning off during night time, which is the most difficult task. To make it easier, firstly you try to make your child sipper friendly so that he tries to take milk from sipper rather than breastfeeding. Also try that your baby doesn't need breastfeeding for getting into sleep. Always try to satisfy his hunger with solid so that his stomach is full and he sleeps throughout the night. If he wake up at night, ask him for water as he has slept after eating food. So he may be in demand of water instead of breastfeed. Try to make him feed milk with sipper or bottle rather than breastfeeding. Small babies require mother's milk before sleeping, so you require to divert his mind to some other thing. For example, you can play some game with him. He will get your time and will forget about the breastfeed. You can bring any storybook with some attractive pictures. You can show it to him and make the sleeping time interesting. He will learn some small but new things, and after it becomes routine, he will understand that it is sleeping time once he looks at a storybook in your hands. In the beginning, if baby demands the breastfeed in night, try to make him drink milk with sipper or bottle. but he is going cranky, you can breastfeed him. But at the same time, you should make him understand that mama's milk is ending. If you want to breastfeed your baby till the age of 2, then you will require to involve him in process of weaning. You shall have to make him understand that mama's milk that used to make him strong is finished now. Now you cannot be strong and grow up by this milk. So you shall have to drink the milk that everyone else in the home is drinking, and this will make you more powerful and healthy. Some home remedies for weaning are also used. For example, applying neem leaves paste or applying bitter gourd paste to the nipple or applying salt so that the bitter taste comes out and he quickly pulled the nipple out of his mouth. Keep in the mind that whatever you apply on the breast or nipple is non-toxic and harmless. Do not apply things like toothpaste or nail paint on your nipple. Apply only natural things on nipple so that even baby eat it, then it should not harm the baby in any way. Start the process of weaning very easily and slowly with baby. Now take care of few things before starting the weaning process. First, whatever age or time you select for weaning, until you attract your baby towards solid food, it will be a headache that my baby doesn't have any solid food, how can I wean him? Till then it will become his habit and it will be much difficult to wean him off. Weaning is a long process. Don't try to wean off suddenly in a 1 or 2 days. Baby is emotionally attached to breastfeeding. Stopping it all of sudden may have adverse effect on baby as well as your health. It may be possible that baby's weight is suddenly reduced and he becomes cranky, so try to end it slowly. Third, try to find out at least one healthy choice of food which is loved by him anytime. This will be during the process of weaning of the baby. Mother can also face a number of problems. For instance, the breast become heavy due to accumulation of milk therein, and sometimes it start leaking. In such a case, you can use compressor, pump or massage with your hands to immensely help you in weaning. Take out some milk. Remember, don't take out the entire milk, else the milk production can start again. Also remember not to feed the baby with the milk older than 24 hours. To reduce the swelling and pain in the breast, you can use ice to massage the same for 15 to 20 minutes 3 or 4 times in a day. To dry out the milk in breast early, you can try some home remedies like covering the breast with the leaves of cabbage or people tree. These leaves help in drying out the breast milk and also keeps it cool and comfortable. So these were few tricks and techniques to wean off the baby. I hope that you liked my video. If you have any query or problem, do mention in the comment section below. And to watch my next video, do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.